If you don't have a girlfriend and want someone to chat with you, you should build your own AI bot so you can remove your loneliness. And today, I'll show you how to create an AI Discord bot absolutely without coding. And the best part is, you can completely customize it according to your needs just by explaining in English. And your bot will also be hosted 24/7 hours for free. But before starting the video, if you need server boosts, Discord decorations, and nameplates at super low prices, then don't forget to check out my website. The delivery is automated once the payment is completed, and if you want, you can place an order in Discord server by creating a ticket. So don't forget to save 80% on all products. Links will be in the description. And now, let's get started with the video. To get started, simply come to this website. You will find the link in the description, then simply click on Start Creating Free button, and at the registration page, use any method to create an account. You can use your email, sign in with Google, or register with your Discord account. For the video, I will register with my Discord account. Once you are done, it will automatically redirect you to the dashboard. On the home section, this is where you will see all your verbs or create one if you don't have any. Now to get started with your verb, you can either click on the below button or click on the blue button and you will see something like this. You will have to fill these details which will show on the dashboard for you. Or if you want to make your verb public, people will able to search your verb through these details. These details include some of the basic things such as your verb banner and a profile picture, your verb name, age, date of birth that you want, and tags so it will be easy to find. You can type minimum of 3 and maximum of 5 tags. And lastly, your verb bot personality. You can just describe what your verb is for. After this step, go ahead and click on the next button. Now in this setup, you'll need to choose your verb's language. You can pick from a variety of languages available. Once that's done, it's time to set up your verb's core personality and backstory. The core personality defines who your verb really is, how it talks, behaves, and what kind of character it has, and the backstory gives it depth, like where it came from, or what its purpose is. Together, these make your verb unique and realistic. So when someone asks your bot who are you, or tell me about yourself, it will respond based on the personality and story you've created. You can write everything yourself, or you can get help from AI to write a good core personality and a backstory according to your needs. Once you're done with that, simply click on the next button. Now in this step, you'll need to enter your verb's references and interests. In the first field, type what your verb believes in. This could include political views, religious beliefs, or any personal philosophies your character follows. Next, you'll see a section for hobbies and activities. Here you can list what your verb enjoys doing. It could be sports, gaming, traveling, or even just relaxing and doing nothing. After that, you'll need to describe what your verb likes. You'll have up to 3,000 characters, so feel free to go into detail. Add everything your verb loves, enjoys, or appreciates. And finally, you'll enter what your verb dislikes. This helps define its personality even more, giving your verb realistic traits and reactions when people interact with it. After you are done putting all the details, simply press the next button. This is the last step and also the most important one. This is where you will train your verb on how it should behave, respond, and interact with users. In the system instructions, you have up to 8,000 characters available, so you can write detailed instructions explaining exactly how your verb should act, talk, and handle different situations. The more detailed and specific your instructions are, the more accurately your verb will follow them. I will enter these just for the video. Now the second part here is selecting your AI model. If you're using the free version, you can only use their free verb AI model, but if you have the premium version, you'll be able to choose from a variety of other models as well, such as ChatGPT, Gemini, and Claude, etc. And they're also adding even more models over time. If you want to support the developers so they can continue this work, or want to purchase the premium, then don't forget to use the code being YT for 15% off. This is not a sponsored video, but this code will save you a bit of money. From the below options, you can enable or disable if you want your bot to be funny. You can also enable or disable image generation depending on whether you want your verb to create images or not. Next, you can turn on or off the autonomous mode. This allows your bot to revive dead chat, and if someone is chatting, the bot can join that conversation too. And lastly, if you want, you can make your verb public so other people can find it and use it as well. After you are done with everything, simply click on Create Verb and your verb is successfully created. Now it's time to connect your Discord bot with Verb so you can use it on Discord. To do that, simply click on Manage button, then with the Discord logo, click on Configure button. Here you will need to enter your Discord bot token. To do that, you will first need to create a bot in Discord Developer Portals. So for that, come to Discord Developer Portal and click on the new application and give your bot a name. Once you are done, agree to their term of services and click on the Create button.
Oh my god, bro.
After you have created your bot, go to the bot section, then scroll down and enable all the intents options. Make sure to enable all 3 of them, otherwise your bot will not work properly. Now for the bot token, simply click on the reset button, then click on yes to it, and you will get the bot token. So copy it and go back to Verba dashboard and paste it there, and click on the connect button. If you have done everything right, you will see something like this. It means your bot is connected successfully. This is the live preview of your bot profile. You can change the bot status also, but it is in the premium version. By the way, while I was recording the video, the profile settings was premium, but now they have made it free, so you can fully edit your bot profile such as your bot status and activity message in the free plan as well. And if you scroll down, you will see all the other details as well. Now to invite the bot to your server, simply click on Copy Invite Link button, which will copy the bot invite link. Then go to your Discord server where you want to invite the bot and invite the bot there. To set up a channel for the bot to talk, simply go to that channel and use the command /active channel, and from now on whoever chat here, the bot will chat with him as well. To test the bot, I will send a few messages, and you can see the bot is working fine. The free version also has a decent speed. Also, if you want to remove the channel so the bot doesn't talk there, you can simply use /remove channel, and the channel will be removed. The bot also has some other commands, such as checking the bot ping, resetting conversation, etc. The bot also talk in direct messages, so if you are feeling lonely you can just message the bot and you can talk with it, and if you have enabled the image generation, you can just tell the bot to generate images for you, and it will generate them. You can customize and train the bot even more if you go to the dashboard section. Like in the training section, you can customize the bot by providing examples, etc. Then in the knowledge section, you can add extra knowledge by adding websites, etc. You can add memory so the bot will remember all the conversation that is done, and change all the other settings like changing the AI model, language, enabling and disabling image generation, and other features. You can explore all the settings by yourself when making the bot, and this is the end of the video, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. Don't forget to purchase boosts from the website if you want, and consider using the code being YT for 15% off. So, see you in the next video, and peace out.